Okay, so now we're going to be dovetailing the barrel lugs in the barrel here. And normally when I install barrel lugs on a round barrel, I silver solder them. But apparently, I guess since this is a wall gun and the charges, like when you load this thing, could kick pretty hard. They've given me barrel lugs that have to be dovetailed into the barrel itself. And so what I've done is I drew a center line down the barrel here. You can see that it lines up with that lug. And basically I took this shining light and just followed it all the way down the barrel, and that's where I marked my center lines for all of the barrel lugs here. And then this line here going in the middle here, I just matched it up with the middle of the barrel lug here, so I know where it's going to be on the barrel. And these two lines here, this line and this line, match the top flat of the dovetail. So it goes like that. And then I cut inside the lines. So when I get it flat, I'll be able to cut in the dovetails and wedge this thing into the barrel. These cuts here, I just made with a hacksaw. And that red line across the blade there is how deep I got to go. So each one of these lines goes that deep. And, I also measured, sorry about that. I also measured each of the dovetails, and that's how, how thick it is. So when I get this thing filed down, I'm going to make sure that, it's that deep in the barrel there. And just make sure it's nice and flat so I can cut the dovetails on. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and file these lines down, and I'll show you how it looks when I get done. Hopefully it'll be something like this when I get done. Anyway, I'll turn the camera on when I get there and see how it looks. Okay, I've got the slot here flattened out as flat as I can get it. You could see here that the depth of it is just below where it actually needed to go. But I'm going to leave it like that because when I start dovetailing this, it'll get lower and lower because I'll be using a file to cut these dovetails. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead, put the camera down, get these dovetails cut, and I'll show you how it looks after I'm done. Basically what I'm going to be doing is taking a triangle file and cutting a slot into the corner of this slot here, and it'll make a nice groove there, so you can put the beveled part of the barrel lug inside the groove and push it into the slot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll show you how it looks. I did, like I mentioned before, I just got a triangular file and undercut the dovetails. When I got close, I have another file here that I ground the edges off so that it won't take off any more material off the bottom of it, and I can cut those edges even deeper without having to worry about cutting the slot lower. So I'm just about done with this. We're going to get one of those barrel lugs and put it in here and see how it fits, and show you how it looks when I'm done. What you want to do too is true up the bevels with your file, so that when you do the dovetails in the barrel, at least the angle will match your file. And basically what I do, I flip the thing over and I get the file with the safe side so it doesn't mess up your vise, and just make sure that these bevels match the angle of the file that you're using to make those dovetails with. So that's what I do, just to make sure that they go in smoothly and you know, that they fit better. So I have the barrel lug fully inserted into the dovetail, and that thing's pretty solid too. What I do, I punched the flaps over so it'll pinch them down and make an even tighter fit. So there you go. There's two of them. They are pretty much in line with each other. And now I'm going to be doing the third one, and then I'm going to be doing the yoke pin lug after. So that's it for now. Just a quick video doing the dovetailing the barrel lugs. Castrick Bowcraft, thanks for watching.